Talking about.
The AK. The AK-47.
Yeah.
I think I have the magazine for the AK-47. You okay?
How is that fair? You saw that right?
Can't move. What about you? What are you doing? Stop!
Pretty button, AT.
Stop pressing the
I
buttons. We
can't
need to
press the
cross,
button.
okay?
I
Don't
can't press the
break the
button.
goddamn machine.
AT?
What? Oh shit.
Shoot it. Out.
Can't move. Something else is shooting at us.
Down from the ocean. Back, baby. Over.
Where is he?
Fuck you.
You deserve it.
Yes.
Son of a bitch. Armor-piercing round. Target down. Bitch! Got him! I only have 8 health. Alright. Okay, you're normal.
Wait. Wait for a second.
What?
Wait.
I see.
I am #1 riding bear. I am Russia.
On the full moon, huh? Okay.
Better
Riding
yet,
the
AT.
bear on the full moon, huh?
I am following you. Khajiit will get you.
Not Khajiit.
Khajiit will get you. Where I stop?
We did lots of things. Next
It's 4
time,
o'clock in the morning.
yeah. Next time we'll take our vengeance on the stalker. He'll be like,
In a war.
"We'll meet again," and you're like, "Yes, we did."
I bought my fucking BMG, motherfucker.
He'll be like, "You see this? This is my big fucking gun." Oh, I didn't know there's a second floor here. We can require a key, of course. All of these require keys. Oh yeah, where is the? Alright. The way you're looking at me, right there, your character face.
Like my star?
Yes, you look like a. And. Okay. I'll leave then.
Day 4.
What?
Blue, it ain't worth it. Book right
Okay.
now. I need blue to get titanium to upgrade my armor.
Okay, and reach the star. Oh, you've been here before.
I love the reload sound it makes.
Much of my fuck. Ugh. Alright, I feel better.
You just see Emerald that BMG 80 because it sounds so fucking wonderful. Can't stop myself. It sounds so good. Posing. Tell me if you can hear this reload animation.
You know, they should put the M1 Grand too in the game, huh?
Oh yeah, that's nice as fuck.
You hear it? Can you hear it?
Oh, it's so nice.
Hear the reload animation? Like, love
The
it.
Barrett always do that.
Here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Listen to this. Listen, AT. Come to the gun.
Yeah, here. I know
Oh,
the
wait,
sound.
wait. Listen, 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 listen. Oh, oh, oh,
Oh,
That's
oh.
stop doing that, or you're gonna something else is gonna happen to you, and you're gonna
So,
make your stuff sticky.
feel my tits. Just kidding.
But before we go to there, let's get the radio beacon.
Oh yeah. Yes, yeah, there's a fort right here.
I'm distracted by being messaged. Enjoying reload my animation. Oh, that sounds so good. I can't stop reloading it.
I'm really afraid that I've already
I'm too far.
get himself wet.
I'm wet. My underwear is wet right now.
Oh
Coming.
no, he's
Another reload is
feeling
done.
moist now.
My pants is moisty, T. Oh shit, moist.
Damn it, he ran away. You know, it's just
One
a
miss.
small target. You don't need to waste the 50 BMG on it. If it's a hunter, I'll say okay.
It was such.
Ammo
I'll hold
thing in
myself,
here.
AT.
Did we pass the castle?
Guys.
Yeah, we passed it, the castle. I thought
Guys.
that.
Fine.
Oh!
I'm sorry.
Jesus.
I just saw it and I couldn't hold myself.
Hey, look, there's a scope here.
One of the tests of this, explosive damage. Do you guys get hurt, by the way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
A
forgot.
lot.
Oh no 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 no
Deserve
no 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 no!
You deserve
no,
that.
No 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 no! I almost jumped off the bridges.
Deserve that. Piece of shit.
They did like we had 100 HP and we were down to 20.
Okay, so there.
What
There's
is
something
this?
down there.
What is this?
No.
Dale's
I went-
worship zone.
Oh shit. Oh.
Hey Dale, you're home.
What the fuck?
Hey, look, it's my home. I haven't been here in years.
What the
What
fuck?
the hell?
What the fuck?
Bathroom just opened. Bathroom just opened.
I know.
Oh God.
Who's this guy?
A note in here.
Hey.
Give me that.
What's going
Give
on?
me that. Give it to me.
What's going on?
Got blueprints for bird shots.
You hear that?
See? There's blueprints in here. Move. Take the blueprints.
Nice.
In here. Posing. Get in there and take the blueprints.
Oh, sorry, I was looking at the spooky ass tree.
Why are things getting spookier?
Guys, look at this tree though. Look, there's another dead body here. What happened here? So spooky. They had a lot of good fucking ammo on them, I'll tell you that.
You hear
It's
that?
got blueprints for shotgun ammo.
Oh, you see? Hey guys, look right here. Handprints. Don't change, not right around here.
What's going on here?
Well, this happens when you don't know how to drop a purple pentagram, and the demons can get in your pentagram if you fuck it up really easily. There you go. That's the one way not to fuck up a sigil.
There's a
The
side
only
quest
good thing we found out
close
was
here,
We
nearby.
need 5 candles at 5 points of
That
the
was worth it
pentagrams.
to AT
Each
because
of
we
the
found
elements.
blueprints.